This is Rakesh Gumatkar. In this video, we will explain about how to use our vendor portal to submit profiles to. We are stopping receiving CVs by email uh, very soon, and we'll be receiving CVs only through vendor portal. So the process is we will invite you to via email ID. One of your email ID which you are using to submit our profiles would receive the invitation. You have to click on the invitation and create your account. Your user ID will be your email ID. Password, you can set any password, and then you can go inside. I will show you. Now I have already created one sample vendor account here. So I'm logging in with the account. I'm signing in. There are three tabs: dashboard, jobs, and submitted candidates. So dashboard is nothing but what happened with the candidates, what you have submitted, and jobs is the job which will be assigned to you. So what we will be doing, we'll be assigning certain jobs to you. So whatever jobs we want you to work, you can see in this job section. So right now there is one Java architect position is assigned to this account, and this is a submitted candidate. So when you have any candidate to submit, you just click on this job which is assigned to you. You may have 2 or 3 jobs assigned by us, so it might be 5 jobs. And you just click on. So what the benefit is, you will have the entire job description here. Okay. Also, you can ask for PDF file which you can share with the candidates. So let's say you have a Java architect to submit for this position. You click on add resume. Then you select the resume, upload it. So when you select the resume and upload it, how it looks, I will show you. So for example, just I am taking one random CV. So it is parsing. Parsing takes time because it is accessing the PDF or Word file and collecting the content. So show patience when this process is happening. What happens with the parsing? Basic information like first name, last name, mobile number, email ID is already used, taken by the system. Then you have to select the technology. If the technology is not available, you can select not available and update us. We can add the technology in the drop-down later. Experience. Now system has taken some experience by default, but if you feel the experience is not correct, you can make it 2 or 3. Then salary. So salary is not in it's a number, so 5 lakhs. It should be like that. Expected salary. Notice period. Select the notice period if it is 30 days. If there is no offer in hand, not negotiable, or already on notice period, offers in hand. Whatever is the comment you want us to know. Uh, Anything you want to mention more about the candidate? Good English, right? Then city, maybe Bangalore. CV is already attached, and any other information which you want us to refer, you can put it here, and you can say submit candidate. Candidate has been submitted successfully. So what happens after this? You can come to this. Now what has happened? Kapil Agarwal is associated. Now, see this candidate, it's a sample candidate, some random CV. So the status is submitted to hiring manager. Here is associated. When I go to my account as a recruiter and if I submit this Kapil to the hiring manager, you will automatically get a status update here submitted to hiring manager. Next, if hiring manager shortlists this profile, we will change the status in our system, shortlisted for interview or arrange interview, you will get the status here. If it's rejected, you will get it rejected by hiring manager or not suitable. And best part is if the CV is duplicate, it will not take the CV in the system. It will show the error here itself, provided the email ID is same. And we have imported all the earlier data that you submitted in our system. So if you are trying to submit the earlier CVs, you will get the duplication. You don't have to mail and then suffer duplication. duplication will be taken care here itself, provided the email ID is same. So this is how very easily, and you get to know all the candidates what you have submitted over the period. Then you can select the candidate by name, what is the status, yet to process, rejected. This can have hired, all these things you can get it here. Now what happens after this? How do you get the feedback? One, you will get you if you're logged into your system, you will get to know the candidate is selected, rejected for the interview, and we will WhatsApp you that your candidates are shortlisted. So we'll call you. Okay. So we are trying to stop emails between consultant vendors and Venice and hiring managers. We are trying to have a system where we do all the work without emails, which are slow and confusion occurs. We miss the candidates. Hiring manager sometimes does not notice the candidate submitted. So we are trying to make it email-free system. We may not be successful, but we are trying to make it more automated. So I hope you will cooperate with us in this and you like this. If you have any errors, any suggestions to make it better in terms of more fields, you can tell us on WhatsApp or you can email us. Hope you find this useful and you keep working with us. Thank you so much. Thank you for your support till date. Thank you so much.